Hi, in these lessons I will explain a challenge, that is the task, and this challenge we are going to understand in these lessons, and in the next lessons we are going to solve this challenge. Okay, let us understand this challenge. So there is a company that is called ABC Corporations. It is into electronics retail company, and it has operation in Delhi, Gujarat, Maharashtra. And for the business, what it does, it hires salesmen to work in the shops and sell its product. So the company announces certain kind of prizes. Who is the best, or who are the best salespersons in the three states having operation, that is called Delhi, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Okay. So the prize has been announced, and the prize is motorbike. So a motorbike will be presented to the salesperson who has made the maximum sales in the state. There are three states, therefore there are three motorbikes. So this is the problem that we'll solve in the next lesson. Thank you.